In this second part of our AFL Insights, we're going to be creating our dashboard. Before we do that, we need to be able to save our current dashboard under a new name. So go to the Actions menu in the top left, click on the Save As option, choose the location and give your workspace a new name. To create our dashboard, we're going to be creating a series of crosstabs and charts and adding them onto this single page. We'll be creating win percentages, average margin by opponent, the most successful opponents and the least successful opponents, and finally we'll be looking at a win percentage by year. Firstly, we want to create our win percentage pie chart from this existing crosstab. To do this, we go to the top right hand side, click on the Restore widget. This will minimize the widget. We can then manipulate the widget in terms of moving it around the screen so it's viewable. We've got the focus of our analysis down to one particular team. Now we can change this crosstab to enable us to create our win percentage pie chart. We do this by dragging and dropping the home and away dimension to replace the rows. Because we only want to look at the number of wins split between home and away, we can now go through and hide all the other measures that we don't require. This is done by simply selecting and control clicking and then right clicking and click on hide to hide the measures. The only measure we now see is the number of wins. So we've got 446 wins, 173 away from home and 273 at home. In order to put these into a pie chart, we need to express them as a percentage of the total. So we get 273 as a percentage of 446. So we right click, show value as a total of the column. So this will convert our numbers into percentages. So we're now seeing 61% of home matches and 38% for the away matches. We can now change our crosstab into a pie chart by selecting the Change Display Type menu from the top. Choose Pie and you'll see the selection of different pie charts that are available. We're going to use the first type. When you've chosen your type of chart, simply click back onto the display to remove the menu. We can now resize our widget by dragging in the handles from the right hand side, and the chart will automatically resize for us. We can now drag our pie chart up to the top right hand corner in order for us to add extra widgets later.